Hello students, today we will going to start our day with the COVID pledge. I, Reena Verma, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of the deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from the others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. I hope all of you are staying home and safe from this pandemic and following all the instruction as guided by your elders to you to stay away from these sort of things. So today we will do our next assignment related to our first chapter of geography. Only the large question answers are remaining. Rest of the things have you done in your PDF. This is the chapter that we had done previously and it is regarding the mapping the world. Today we are going to do small answer type questions and large answer type questions. These are the D parts. First one, name the following. Which map show a large scale area? All of you know that small scale maps shows large scale area. Which type of map provides greater details of natural and man-made features? Large scale. Which type of scale is depicted by a straight line? Geographic scale. What is a rough drawing without a scale or conventional symbol called sketch? On the map, what is the arrow with its tip marked with the letter N called? It's called north line. So all these are one word question answer. Now we are doing our next part, give the geographical reasons. First one is, why is it difficult to show the curved surface of earth on a flat map correctly? It is difficult to show curved surface of earth on a flat map because it is curved. If we flatten out a curved surface, it will tear or stretch. A map made by just stretching about a central point or line marked things look bigger than they are and away from the point on a line. Why are globes the only two models of the earth? Answer. Globes are the only true models of the earth because it is 3D representation of actual earth. Continents, oceans, latitude, longitude are drawn on the globe to depict the exact location of place in relation to each other. Next is our F part, that is answer in a paragraph or two. How can a map with RF scale be read and understood all over the world? The map with RF scale shows the ratio of map distance to the ground distance in terms of fraction where numerator is always 1. जैसे कि मैप डिनोट करता है न्यूमरेटर को हमेशा 1, अगर उसके डिनोमिनेटर में 60 है तो 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 60 मीटर, अगर 1 किलोमीटर है तो 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 60 किलोमीटर. तो ऊपर जो स्केल होता है वो मिनिमम सेंटीमीटर्स में होता है एंड नीचे जो स्केल होता है वो मैक्सिमम इन किलोमीटर्स में होता है. Hence 1 is distance on map and 50,000 is distance on map. So ये 1 है, ये भी हमारा मैप डिस्टेंस हो जाता है और जो 50,000 है वो भी हमारा मैप डिस्टेंस हो जाता है और इसकी रेशियो क्या बन जाती है 1:50,000. And units of distance are not mentioned here. On a map with the dot scale be read and understood all over the world. ये जो हमारा सिस्टम है मैप का RF स्केल का, ये ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड एक तरह से ही पढ़ा जाता है. हाउ डज अ कंपास हेल्प यू टू आइडेंटिफाई 4 कार्डिनल पॉइंट्स? द कंपास इज अ नेविगेशनल इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज्ड टू डिटेक्ट द नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन. इट हैज़ मैग्नेटिक नीडल and align itself along the north-south direction of the earth. On a piece of paper, mark the north direction with the help of a stroke compass, and then with the help of compass, after labeling north-south direction, all 4 cardinal points can be drawn. Namely, what are our 4 cardinal points? North, south, west and east. Next one is, what is a map? Map is a visual representation of portion of earth. Maps are 2D representation of earth's crust. Maps are made with proper titles and directions with the use of lines of latitude and longitude, along with labels and legends. Proper scale, symbols and colors are used to express the map correctly. Maps can be drawn on anything with reference as per need. List the different type of scale used on a map. There are different types of scale used for making maps, namely statement of scale or verbal scale, representative fraction, that is called RF, graphical scale, linear scale or pictorial scale. First is statement of scale or verbal scale. It is used to state the unit in simple words such as 2 cm is to 1 km, that is 2 cm is to 1 cm. Representative fraction or RF. This type of scale shows the ratio of map distance to the ground distance in terms of fraction, where the numerator is always 1. A map with RF can be read and understood all over the world. Next, what is the difference between a plan and a sketch? A detailed drawing is required to show all the pictures present in the space. Such drawings is called plan. Rough drawings to be used as guidelines for giving direction to a place. These rough drawings give some idea about the directions and landmark. There is no accuracy in distance, as sketches are not drawn to scale. Next is, list the 8 cardinal and ordinal directions on the map. The 4 major directions, namely north, east, west and south, are known as cardinal points or directions. Apart from the 4 major directions, intermediate or ordinal direction are used in a map, and the name of those are northeast, southwest and others. These are northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. 7th part is, what are conventional symbols? It is not always possible to draw all the features on a single map because it requires more space. Thus, different colors, signs, symbols and letters are used to represent different features on a map. These are called conventional signs or symbol. This is all for today. Thank you.